Landara Bandha. Lock your chin to the chest. And visualize Paramashiva in your third eye. Internalize Soham. Sukhasana.
Tatsukhasanamityuktam ashaktatstat asanam vijitam yena jitam tena jagatrayam.
In Padmasana, inhale, arms up. Palms together in Namaskara Mudra and remain in Samana Kumbhaka. Engage in Mahamudra. Visualize Mount Kailash in your third eye. Internalize Soham. Parvatasana.
Atha vakshe Mahadeva Parvatasana Mangalam Yat Kritva Sthira Rupi Syat Shatchakradi Vilopanam.
Bring your arms down and hands in Parashimudra. Legs extended, soles together. Exhale, forehead to the chest. Continue with Samana Kumbhaka. By engaging in Mahamudra, visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Internalize Soham. Halipavasana.
पूर्व विधिया हो में जानो उभे पगथली संपुट ठानो पिष्ठ पचे दो कर ल्यावो दक्षिण कर सो वाम गहावो पिष्ठि हतेल्यांकी जोई अंश सहित भूमि धरे सोई पुनिल लाति भूपरिठाने एड्याम लगता माही आने.
Inhale, rise up. Exhale, lean forward. Bring your soles by your body. Elbows on the legs. Cups your palm on the floor in Anjali Mudra. Gaze at the tip of your nose. Maintain in Samana Kumbhaka. Mahamudra Bandha still engage. Visualize snake in your third eye. Soham is the internal japa. Nagipavasana.
पूरब विधि परि आगाने नीचो होई कहूनि फणास्यो लगाई हाथ आगाने धरती लगावे पसारी दो हाथ की अंजुलि करे भूयडी परि लगावे दृष्टि नासा अग्र आसन को गुण शरीर बिधा जाई.
Inhale, raising your hands up, grabbing onto your big toes with the index and middle finger in Prana Mudra, extending the legs out straight. As you exhale, cross your legs in Padmasana, leaning forward, elbows down. Concentrate on building the internal fire. Mahamudra Bandha is still engaged. Bring your awareness inside in Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize a bird in your third eye. Kokilasana.
अथान्यदासनं वक्ष्ये येन सिद्धो भवेन्नरः अकस्माद्वायुसञ्चारं कोकिलाख्यासनेन च ऊर्ध्वे हस्तद्वयं कृत्वा तदग्रे पादयो सुधीः वृद्धाङ्गुष्ठद्वयं नाथ शनैः शनैः प्रकारयेत्.
Inhale, rise up, uncross the legs. Stack your ankles and knees on top of each other. Hold the opposite elbows and gaze at the tip of your nose. And rotate your elbows in circular motion. Mahamudra is still engaged. Bring your awareness inside in Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize Swamiji in your third eye. Nityasana.
गोड़ा बाबा पाद की आँख माहिली सोय दक्ष चरण को वारलोता परिगुलफ समोय वाम पाद को माहिलो बहुरो गुलफ जुजान ता परिगोड़ा जचखी आँख चाह बाहर लीवान.
Inhale onto your hands and feet. Raise your hip up as high as possible. Now scoop your nose to the ground repeatedly. Breathe slowly and steadily through the nose in Sahaja Kumbhaka. Uddiyana Bandha is engaged. Visualize an elephant in your third eye. Gajasana.
न्युब्जं पादाग्रे भूमौ कृत्वा लम्बी भूय मस्तकाग्रे निधाय नितम्बं ऊर्ध्वमुन्नमय्य नाभिलक्ष्यं भूमौ नासिकामानीय हस्ततलपर्यन्तं नयेत् इत्थं पुनः पुनः कुर्यात् गजासनं भवति.
Stop the motion but remain in this position. Now alternate heels to the ground. Slow and steady breathing through the nose, which is called Sagaja Kumbhaka. Uddiyana Bandha is engaged. Bring your awareness inside in Shambhavi Mudra. Visualize a bear. Internalize Soham. Rakshasana.
गजासनवस्थित्वा मस्तकं वारं वारं दक्षिणकुक्षिं सव्यकुक्षिं नयेत् तरक्ष्वासनं भवति.
Inhale, rise up. Fingertips to the heart center in Hridaya Mudra. Heels up, standing on the tiptoes. Samana Kumbhaka, concentrate on building the internal fire, engage in Mahamudra Bandha, visualize Swamiji in your third eye, and internalize Soham, Vaishyasana.
केशेन पादयुगलं बद्ध्वा तिष्ठेदधोमुखः अथ वैश्या वक्ष्ये यत् कृत्वास्धनवान् भवेत्.
Now we are entering into our first karana, Udvajanu Karana. Sit in Aramandi, the half squatting position, heels together, toes pointing outwards, knees wide apart. Bring both palms to the chest level, lift the right knee towards the chest in circular motion. Simultaneously, respective hand follows the foot movement. And return to the Aramandi, repeat the same motion on the other side.